Want to know how to access or discover the transport option in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com application, or just simply head on to your website and type, or just simply head on to your web browser and type in agoda.com. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. Now, discovering the transport section is super simple. Here on the top, you should be seeing navigation bars, and right beside hotels and homes, you should be seeing transport. Just simply select it, and here you can just simply see various transport like flight, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. You can just simply select any one of these, and then your Agoda should load up with cheap flights and airline tickets. Drop your location accordingly with your departure and location time, and then you can just simply sort out. And that's it. It's super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.